case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Anthony Croom, a felon with a track record of violent acts and burglaries, found himself in a pivotal judicial case that questioned whether a judge can levy a punishment that exceeds the recommended guidelines without explicit justification. The dispute began when Croom was apprehended toting a semi-automatic weapon, an offense that's in breach of federal law. Perilously, a mere 10 days following his release, he was entangled in another weapons-related crime, this time robbing a fast food joint at gunpoint. Admitting guilt to both charges, Croom was dealt a punitive sentence totaling 160 months imprisonment, a period that exceeded the recommended tenure for his criminal history and the severity of his offenses. However, this discrepancy triggered an appeal by Croom, who contended the presiding judge failed to adequately justify their departure from the prescribed guidelines. Reinforcing this claim, Croom had a fractious past, marred with convictions ranging from battery to child molestation and burglary. The judge's attempt to legitimize the sterner punishment rested on the argument that the prosecution's case inadequately communicated the severity of Croom's past misconduct and tendency to disappoint the law. Albeit, the defendant refuted this justification, forcing the court to reevaluate the legitimacy of such a departure from the guidelines. Ultimately, the court discerned errors in Croom's initial sentencing. The judge of this case had hoisted the defendant's criminal history to category the 6th, a decision not sufficiently explained. Moreover, it was deemed flawed to impose an additional 2-year sentence based on an objectionable appeal to Section 3553(b). Now, with new light shed on the case, the court annulled the sentence, remanding it for further deliberation. This reassessment compelled a thorough exploration of Croom's penchant for criminal activity and the resounding implications of his offenses, underlining the criticality of precise justification when deviating from sentencing guidelines.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.